Hi guys, here is another rumor coming out for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 2023. Please like this video if you are a Samsung Tab lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. Tablets are used by people for a wide variety of activities. Some individuals prefer the larger screens of tablets because they are better for watching media, while others use the larger screens and quicker CPUs to play games. In fact, some of the top puzzle games and first-person shooter apps for mobile casinos have been made tablet-friendly. However, some power users prefer to use their tablets for productivity chores like scheduling photo shoots and editing videos. These days, tablets have become so powerful that some individuals have even totally replaced their computers with them. Every year, Samsung has a tradition of releasing a new flagship tablet. The Galaxy Tab S6 arrived in August of 2019 and the Galaxy Tab S7 will arrive in August of 2020. The previous three incarnations of Samsung's flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8, S8 Plus, and S8 Ultra, were released in February of this year. Yet many still think that the company will introduce the next Galaxy Tab in February of 2019. Samsung is also anticipated to simultaneously release three new models. Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Tab S8 series perhaps early in the next year, claims a recent rumor. Not that the potential release window for these tablets has ever been stated in speculations, but 2023. However, given the industry-wide chip shortage, a launch in 2017 does seem likely. It's vital to remember that the current generation Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 initially cost $699.99, while its larger sibling, the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, cost $899.99. And the expensive Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which costs $1,099.99. There are reports going around that the next Galaxy Tab S9 would cost more than $700. Given the trend of escalating tech prices, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra will surpass the $1,200 point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.